Rural America, I hope you're watching. Farmers and ranchers, I hope you're watching.
And that man, that wonderful man, has more reservation, and patience in his whole entire body than I have in my little pinky. And I truly, truly appreciate people like you, my friend. But unfortunately, this sad reality, they've already lost it. The 30% of you that didn't vote for it, I'm sorry. But it's going. And there's nothing we can do to stop it. You already said the damage that has already been done is irreversible. And if we are able to reverse it, it's going to take years. So farmers who voted for this, you might want to go have a talk with that man. Rural America, fuck around and find out is here.